श्रीमन्महाभारतं 57th डे। ॐ अस्मद्गुरुभ्यो नमः। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्। In Srimanmahabharatam Adi Parvam 32nd and 33rd chapters, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, there is fight going on between Garutman and Devatas. Garutman defeated all of them, tortured some of them, killed some of them, and went to the place where Amrutam was kept. Around that Amrutam there is so much of fire. Then Garutman tataha navatya navatir mukhanam krutva mahatma Garudaha. Then Garutman became having 8,000 hundreds faces, and with all those faces he drank so much of water from all the rivers, and then he sprinkled all that water on that fire and suppressed all the fire, then put off all the fire. Then Garutman, he became so small and went to the place where Amrutam was kept. Again, at that place there is huge chakram that is rotating with high velocity, and in that chakram all that leaves are very sharp. Then Garutman has seen, and at once, within a moment, he again brought his body so small, became so small, and went through those, between those two leaves to the place where Amrutam is kept. Again there are two big snakes there. Those snakes were vomiting so much of, throwing out so much of poison, and the snakes' eyes were throwing out so many flames. Then Garutman put so much of dust in those eyes of snakes and killed both the snakes. Then he has taken the bowl of that Amrutam and he flew into sky. Even after Amrutam is grabbed, Garutman did not drink that Amrutam, but he just wanted to get out of that place as soon as possible. He flew into sky. After seeing Garutman's the resolution to achieve the work, Vishnunacha tat akase vainateyaha sameyivan tasya narayanaha tushtuhu tena alaulyena karmana. Sriman Narayana was very much pleased for all his resolution, and he gave his darshanam to Garutman in the sky and asked Garutman, I would like to give you a boon. Then Garutman said, I want to be your Dhvajam. Then also Garutman asked, I do not want older age, I do not want death. Please bless me those boons. Then Sriman Narayana says, so be it. It is granted. After that Garutman said, Oh Devadeva, I would like to give you one boon. Then Paramatma asks, Tam Vavre Vahanam Vishnuhu Garutmantam Mahabalam. You became my vehicle. For which Garutman said, yes, I shall definitely. Like that, Vishnumurti became Garuda Dhvaja and also Garuda Vahana. After that, he was going away. Then Indra shooted Vajrayudham upon Garutman because Garutman is taking away Amrutam. Then Garutman says to Devendra, Oh Devendra, this Vajrayudham made out of the backbone of the great Maharshi Dadhichi. That is why I do not want to insult this ayudham. If I insult this weapon, it is nothing but I am insulting such great Maharshi Dadhichi. That is why, because you shooted this Vajrayudham, I am giving you one hair of my body. Even you cannot do anything to that hair also. Like that, Garutman gave away one hair, and after seeing that hair, people started thinking how beautiful this hair is. So ever since then, Garutman became Suparnoyam Bhavatyiti. He became Suparna. And then Indra also noticed such a great amount of valor of Garutman. Indra says, "Oh Garutman, I do see that you are not an ordinary one. So I would like to make friendship with you." Like that, Devendra extending friendship to Khagottama Garutman. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana, who is there within our own heart. While dedicating ourselves to Sriman Narayana, let us do Sashtanga Namaskaram and let us sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. Now let us give a word to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. Ho Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.